Now let's learn how to say our opinion in English. When you say "in my opinion," you are sharing your idea. "I think" is another easy way to share your opinion. In my opinion, English is fun. I think reading is interesting. We use these words to share ideas politely. There is no right or wrong opinion. Now you're ready to use this grammar.